For any commercial to succeed, three things must come together: population, connectivity, and location. This place has all three. We are standing in front of Iria Mall, which is second largest footfall destination after Ambience Mall. There's a total land parcel of around 20 acres in which phase 1 Iria Mall and Reach Commercia Tower for office spaces delivered. In phase 2, Reach Bazaria SEO plots, Reach Iria Corporate Tower, A grade commercial office spaces are coming up. Let's talk about this location now. This is a 75-meter wide Sona Road, which gives you a very good connectivity to Golf Course Extension Road, SPR Road, and NH8. A good developer always keeps 30 to 50% of inventory with himself because this keeps his skin in the game and his own interests help the investor. One of the biggest fear of any investor is, would there be a footfall in his commercial? This is something that he thinks about even before calculating his ROIs. Best part here is this place holds the second largest footfall in Gurugram after Ambience Mall. So investor don't have to worry about the footfall and the crowd this is going to pull. Karan Ojla, Badshah, Martin Garrix, Backstreet Boys, all have held their concerts here in the Iria Mall complex. In the same location, 5.5 lakh square feet of commercial retail space is already delivered, 100% leased out by Reach Group only. Gurgaon today is home to more than 350 plus Fortune 500 companies, around 65% of the space. In 2025 alone, 7.2 million square feet of office space was leased out of which 65% was done in Gurgaon only. Why Gurgaon only? Is that those companies who are looking for A-grade commercial office spaces have very few options out of Gurugram. In Gurugram itself, you'll see around 5 to 6 good options when it comes to A grade commercial office spaces. To name a few, One Horizon Center, AIPL Business Club, AIPL Autograph. These are few commercial office space buildings that are suitable to house those Fortune 500 companies. Well, the best part is now this Iria Corporate Tower is coming up in one of the most established ecosystem of Iria Mall. This is going to be the tallest tower of Sona Road, wherein office spaces would start from 5th to 19th floor. First to third floor is a triple height entrance lobby. Then your fourth floor connects Iria Corporate Tower to Iria Mall, so that in case your employees want to directly access the Iria Mall, they can do that by their access card. From 5th floor to 19th floor, you have office spaces wherein lockable spaces start from 2300 square feet going up to 25,000 square feet for an office space floor plate. 4.2 meters of floor to floor height, around 10 meters, let's say 32 feet of space pillar to pillar, which gives you a maximum efficiency, which is very rare to find in office spaces in Gurugram. So your connectivity is so good. You're 5 minutes from your golf course extension road, around 10-15 minutes from golf course road. This road directly leads you to Subhash Chowk and on the other side towards Sona and Delhi Mumbai Expressway. So you know you are sitting at one of the hotbeds, one of the most sought after locations. ROIs of about 10 to 10.5%. If you are someone who have missed an opportunity of investing in AIPL Business Club, or let's just say AIPL Autograph, or some big A-grade commercial office spaces, this is the right time for you to come invest, as this is going to be 100-meter tall, one of the tallest building of Sona Road. If you talk about IGBC Gold pre-certified office spaces, you can drive along Sona Road, you won't find any building. Now, first, let me take you to the site where all this development is coming up. I'll show you where Bazaria would fit in, where Iria Mall Phase 2 is coming up, and then how ACT is going to get delivered in that space. Let's go. So this is the 12 acres of land parcel where this Phase 2 development is coming up. Reach Bazaria plots would be coming up right there. Reach Iria Corporate Tower is coming up right here, and Reach Iria Phase 2, Mall Phase 2 is coming up right there. So you have 58 SEO plots that are coming up along with this A-grade commercial office spaces. and Area Mall Phase 2. So 5.5 lakh square feet of retail space is already delivered, up and running, 115 plus brands, 100% leased out. Plus in Phase 2, 5.5 lakh square feet of retail space is also coming up now. Now the second investment options right here is of premium SEO plots by the name of Reach Bazaria. They start from 102 square yard, go up to 306 square yard. Best part about these exclusive plots is that they are two-side open for maximum exposure for big brands. Plus, you can construct ground, basement, ground, first, second, third, and then terrace. Now, third USP of this project is the floor to ceiling height. For ground floor, it's 12.6 feet, and for first, second, and third, it's 10.9 feet. What this helps in is when big brands are coming to you, they prefer taking a double heighted shop or something where floor to ceiling height is more. In this case, they don't have to rely only on the ground floor. They can even go for second, first, or third floor as well. Now, you all must have been to some other SEO plots. There's one very common issue that you face there. It is of vertical navigation. You go into second or third floor, you don't like the ambience. All you have to do now is come down again, walk 2 3 more floors, and then go up to second or third floor. Best part here is in these SEOs, you are getting wraparound balconies, 6 feet wide sky bridges for seamless navigation. Now, let's say you are on a third floor, you don't like the music there, you want to move into some other brewery or some other restaurant. You don't have to go down and then take elevators or stairs. You can just seamlessly go across all the plots on your horizontal level, which you'll not find in any other SEO in Gurugram. So this is also one of the biggest USP of Reach Bazaria. Along with that, you're getting an ROI of around 11-12%. It's a cherry on the cake. Come experience this investment option and then take an informed decision. If you are someone who have missed the opportunity to invest in A-grade commercial office spaces earlier or some SEO plots, this is the right entry point for you. Most of the commercial spaces have already reached their saturation point. So if you are someone who are willing to invest at an entry point, this is the best moment for you. You can reach out to us on the numbers given below. We will take you for the site visit. We will give you some best pricing along with some flexible payment plans. Also, you can fetch a very good number of ROI in this. Hurry up. Do not miss this opportunity out. Reach out to us. We will help you in exploring all the investment possibilities that are based on your requirement and your preferences. Thank you.